Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Dog in Trouble video. What is it? 3, 4? 4. As you know, everything always happens at night in our lovely household. So, or when we're not around. This Doggy Trouble video is, if you guys don't know, here's the stars. This is Cheeto. This is Vidal. Hi, Vidal. And then the little hyper one over here is Leo, jumping all over the place. Can't see his face. There he is. Bad lighting in the morning. Warning. If you're a Amiibo collector of any unsort, do not watch this video. I think you'd be very, very upset. Okay, victim number 1 is Samus. With no head. Amiibo. Samus. No head. Done by one of these. Dogs. We got a sheep. Oh boy. Sheik. Oh, one half of it. We think it's Leo. We found Rob or Bob, I forgot the name of this one. The first Nintendo mascot, the robot that helps you play. Forgot what game that was. In the 80s. Look what happened to him. Oh my. Once again, if you're an Amiibo collector, please do not watch this video. We saved Yoshi. Yoshi got taken into the bedroom. Found by my son. We saved some Amiibos. This is all my son's Amiibos. We saved Kirby. Kirby is kind of all battle scars. Kirby. I guess it add character. But now our Amiibos are going into Nintendo World's bag. My son went to New York, got a Nintendo World bag. So that's gonna stay somewhere. My giant Pikachu, our giant Pikachu. Studio's almost complete. I'll give you a tour later on it. So, please like this video, comment, subscribe if you like all these Doggy Trouble videos. This is Cheeto, Leo, and Vidal. Hi, Vidali. Hi. On iShield TV, I'm your host, iShield82. Aloha, everybody.